Get out of this house, you disobedient child. It is either you return this woman to wherever you brought her from, or forget this house.
Father, I cannot leave this house. This house also belongs to me. I'm the crown prince of Umuebe. So if anyone would have to leave, it just might be you. And stop referring to her as this woman. She is my wife, Father.
I dare you to take the next step. And as far as I am concerned, this lady here is not a wife. She's not.
Is a wife. Father, I love my wife. I love the bond that we share.
But as far as this woman is in your arms, forget the fact that you belong here. You no longer belong here.
Father, is that a threat?
You heard me, son. You heard me there, Crown Prince. So it is either you take this woman far away from here to somewhere that is not my house, or you decide to stay here and continue your marriage in the place cell. But whichever way it goes, you are not sleeping in this house this night.
Oh, my love for you is very pure.
My prince?
I might not be perfect.
My prince, what are we going to do now?
But I love you.
In all honesty, Ibidogu, you are confusing me. You are not just the crown prince of Umuebe kingdom, you are the coming king of this land. And it's expected that at all times you should be able to rise above all situations. Why are you talking as if all the whole hell has been let loose? What's the problem?
Oh no. It is a good thing that you are here today. I'd like to inform you that I have resigned. My position as the Crown Prince of Umuebe. I will no longer be referred to as the incoming king of Umuebe.
How is that possible? You know, how is it possible for the Crown Prince of a kingdom to resign?
You should be speaking with your friend, oh no. You need to understand that I'm a grown man. I have my life to live, my decisions to make, my privacy. I value a lot.
I don't understand.
Your friend had the guts to threaten to throw me out of the palace because I made the decision of a life partner. Oh no, for daring to issue that threat, I am not only resigning, but I'm also leaving the palace.
But you know it yourself that you cannot leave. You are the coming king of Umuebe kingdom and you are...
Nothing. Oh no. I have made my decision and I must be obeyed. And regrettably, I'm not going to listen to anyone on this matter. You are here now. You are hearing directly from me. Pass this information across to other members of the Royal Council. Have a good day, no?
Then I heard a voice shouting, there must be cleansing in the land.
This is unprecedented in our history. How can he resign? Your Majesty, with all due respect, this is insane. Yes, you may be feeling this way because there is nobody who will summon the courage to talk to you. Everybody's afraid of you to tell you the truth, but I am not. You there sit before a revered king like me and tell me to my face that I am insane? How dare you? Now, between you and I, who is looking more insane? Is it you or
my very self.
Your Majesty, I am not insane because my family is very much intact. Look at you. Why are you allowing an outsider to come between you and your children? The relationship you have with your family, with your children, an outsider is tearing it apart, and you are telling me that you are still sane? And I could have an outsider? Yes, my king.
How do you mean?
Look at it this way. Your daughter, where is she now? You are having issues with your daughter because you have failed to sanction her choice of a life partner. She is not living in the palace as we speak. And up till now, you have not done anything about it. And look at your son. He has made another choice also, and you are kicking against it equally. Look at your family completely in disarray, and you are calling me insane. Your Majesty, you may be the king of my land. In fact, you are my friend. And that is the reason I am going to tell you to your face right here and right now that what you are doing is wrong. In fact, you are making a huge mistake.
And I am telling you right back that I don't care whatever you think.
Your Majesty, what is it? What was it?
Someone slapped me.
Where?
Did you say what it was?
How?
I think it's a ghost.
It goes where? What's the problem? Why are you scaring me? It's okay. Who is insane now? No, let us. Who is insane? Who's come and see your king. Come on, you're not yelling back. You're not yelling. I did the one that I slapped you. I did the ghost. Listen, Prince Ibidoko. You have to calm down and listen to me. This is not time for you to be pursuing that revenge objective. Your father just suffered a very strange illness. And you have to understand that this is a trying moment for all of us in this kingdom. Listen, I want you to come back to the palace. In my capacity as the second in command to the king, I am giving you that instruction right now. Come back to the palace. In fact, you can come back with your wife. I have already given instruction. Every other thing is relaxed now. You can come back. They will allow you to come back. I need you here.
Then I heard a voice shouting, "Rebels be cleansing in the
Got the call of me. Hello, princess.
Babe, come on.
Let me go, please.
Am I sure that it's not a trap? Huh? He said it's a strange illness, but no concrete message yet.
Obi, we're talking about my father here.
I know, and you're also my priority, so I'll not allow anything to happen to you.
I have to go.
Babe, come on. See, the last time I checked, that zone wasn't safe for you, okay? And I'm sorry to say this, your father, I don't think he wants you there.
I'm going.
Okay. You'll go, but with the security I've arranged.
Okay, no problem. But not with those men you sent to abduct those girls. I don't like the look on their faces.
Babe, those men are highly licensed security officers. You know me, I don't just stumble into shady things.
They kidnapped some girls.
Yes, because those girls harassed my girl. Or are you telling me that if the case is being reversed, that you're not going to do the same?
Fine, you win. I'm leaving.
Okay, you will, but with the security I've arranged.
No tradition can change my love for you. No culture can change the way I love you.
What happened?
I can see you awake.
Father, are you alright?
What is she doing here? Can you please tell her to leave this room?
Dad, I'm here. Are you alright?
What are you doing here? Get out, I don't want to see you. Get out.
Okay, Dad, I can see that you're fine.
I said can you please take them out of here?
But that is not fair. We came because we were worried. Come on.
Does it look like I care? Listen, you are an outcast and you have no business in my palace any longer. Get out.
Your Majesty, on the strength of that statement, I can actually see that you are fine now.
100%. Which is why I want to know what my children are doing in my palace. I don't want to see them.
Your Majesty, you have to understand what is going on here. Because of the constant attack you are experiencing, I had a very serious meeting with the elders in council, and we came to the conclusion that going forward, it is not proper for you to be living alone here in the palace. We decided it is either you are living with the prince or you are living with the princess. You understand?
But you dare not...
Your Majesty, please. Considering the fact that the princess has gotten herself entangled with an outcast, you even said it yourself now. We figured out that the only person who is qualified to be living with you is the prince. And that is why we called the prince and we asked him to come back. He is here in the palace with his wife, my king, and they will continue to live here with you in the palace.
Something good smells here. I can already...
I pray you like it.
Of course I love it.
Okay.
The aroma is already very promising. Can I take a pic?
Don't.
I just can't wait.
You need to wait for father.
Of course, I know we'll have to wait for the king to get here. But, this coming from you.
Then I heard a voice shouting, "Rebels be cleansing in the land." Kiri kana bukosa na igelu mirame finaya alu erena banyo. Kiri kana bukose anaya igelu.
Honey.
Relax. Okay?
Obiago, my son, where are you? I have arrived with something very fresh. Something you cannot resist.
Uncle, if you're here for any kind of trouble, please, I have to tell you that I'm not in the mood for that.
Obiago, are you saying I'm a troublemaker? Huh?
Like I said before, I am not in the mood for this, please.
Obiago, I'm not here for any kind of trouble. I have actually come in peace.
What?
You heard me. I heard what the king did to the son yesterday. That led me to the conclusion that that man is not a good man. I feel so sorry for the princess. I feel sorry for everything I did to her. And I have come to apologize.
Oh?
Is she in?
What?
Obiago, why are you suddenly acting like a person who does not understand English language?
Okay, she's not around. She went to the market. She said she wants to restock the house.
Your wife went to the market despite the fact She's the princess and she bothers to clean the house, cook. She must be a good woman, my son.
Well, yeah. Thank you.
Well, I am actually here for us to put heads together to find a solution on how to pay her bride price. And I want us to discuss it over this cake of palm wine. It is fresh from tree, freshly tapped. This is really good palm wine. Really good.
Yes, it is.
Really good.
Wow. Nice drink.
Yes. Now I feel hungry. Did your wife prepare anything today? I really would love to have some.
Oh, Uncle, like I told you before, she went to the market to get some things. You know, she wants to restock the whole house. Yes, but let me see what I can do.
Please.
Yes, I'm coming.
Why are you here?
They say you are an expert at making people fall in love. And they also say you are an expert at making people fall out of love. This is why I'm here. I want you to make some people fall out of love.
I see.
So how much is it going to cost me? Because I'm ready for it.
Are you absolutely sure that this love is meant to be? Are you sure that their love is not genuine? Because that is the only way my package can work.
Wise one. These people I speak about belong to separate worlds. I don't know how their path came to cross in the first place.
Alright then. All you have to do is to put the substance that I gave to you in any of their drinks. Then the rest will be history.
Uncle, I couldn't find anything edible for you to take, just biscuit and sugar milk. I know you won't like it.
Okay, don't worry about it. Let's continue with our drink. I believe by the time we run down this cake, hunger would have disappeared.
But Uncle, you don't expect me to finish this full keg of palm wine early this morning.
Don't worry, I'll be glad to finish it for you. So, what about your marriage to the princess? Are you still want to go on with it? What is it?
Oh my God. Oh, my head.
What is it?
I'm fine.
Obiago,
I'm feeling too good.
You're not feeling too good about the marriage or what?
I don't know what's wrong with me.
Obiago. 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 What have I done? Obiago. Hey. Obiago. This is not what I planned. Obiago. Oh my God. What have I done? Obiago. Hey. What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? You killed him.
I beg your pardon.
All I wanted was to destroy his love for that girl. And you killed him. What have I done to deserve this? What kind of a fraud are you?
I beg your pardon again.
Don't even pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about. I asked for an anti-love potion and you gave me a tapia. I'm holding you responsible for that. You killed my nephew and you're going to pay.
Leave my shrine.
What do you say now?
I said, get your hair out of my shrine. Or you want me to push you?
I am not going anywhere. I am holding you responsible. And you are going to pay.
Do you want me to make you leave?
Make me!
Do you want to make use of this, your tiny legs? Or should I cut them out?
What the hell? Move me!
I know why this is happening. I know why. I know. Strange forces are now slapping the king. Strange forces are finally slapping the king because he decided to do his own bidding instead of that of the gods. I will wait until he rediscovers himself. He has to rediscover himself. Then he will know that a king cannot function without his ancestors.
I killed him. I killed him. Oh, I killed my nephew, Obiago. I wanted to end his relationship with the princess. And instead, I brought his life to an end. Please help me. Help me, Ezedibia. I wanted to sabotage the whole thing and hopefully bringing them back to their senses. Now he's dead. Help me. Please.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty, it has happened.
What is it? What has happened?
Good news.
What good news?
Obiago is dead.
I beg your pardon? Who is Obiago, by the way?
The same Obiago you know. The same one who disqualified the princess from leading the festival of maiden rituals. The same one who made the princess an outcast. Your Majesty, he is dead.
Dead as in he is no longer breathing?
Your Majesty, he is dead as in he is already prepared for burial.
Wow. What happened? By the way, where is my daughter? Where is the princess?
How did I just hear?
My princess. You're welcome. Obiago is dead.
What?
Yeah.
And you're laughing? You find it funny? Dad? Are the both of you happy about this, Dad? Can you not see what is going on here, Father? What makes you think that the princess will be able to function in any capacity at all after what has just happened? Much less be a part of the festival of maidens rituals. Father, come on! Think! Dad? Where's my sister? Has anyone seen or heard of her? Afoma! Afoma!
Why is your son not excited?
Don't mind him. So he's going to be buried today, right?
What exactly are you telling me? I am sure you heard me. The princess's lover is dead.
What?
His uncle was screaming it along the road. He was calling for help, but nobody was willing to help him.
Are you sure of what you are telling me?
Unless the uncle was joking. But his uncle will not joke with something as serious as death.
If what you are telling me is true, it will have a devastating effect on the princess.
But don't you think it's good for us?
Nothing yet. This is exactly what I don't understand, why she's not taking her calls.
You know, I still wonder this death of Obiago, how true it is.
What are you saying?
Well, nothing. But it's just strange how he would just die like that. And I don't believe it. He's not dead. He's not dead. I can't believe it. I can't.
Are you saying that Obiago is beyond death? Are you suggesting that he would live forever? Huh? You know what? This is not working. I'll have to go look for Afoma myself. I'll let you know how it goes.
Be careful.
Then I heard a voice shouting, there must be cleansing in the land. Then I heard a voice shouting, there must be cleansing in the land. Kirikana bukosana dielu midame finaya alu erena banyo.
Ekweme! Where's my sister?
I didn't do anything. I don't even know where she is.
Ekweme! What have you done with my sister?
I didn't do anything with your sister.
Ekweme, do not lie to me. Ekweme, do not lie to me. I'm going to make this very simple. I ask questions, you tell me the truth. Where have you kept my sister?
I don't know where she is. I didn't do anything.
I see that you have chosen to lie. I have done you the honors, Ekweme. The car is open. Get in this car right now.
Are you kidnapping me?
Ekweme, do not make me apply force. You will not like it. Get in the car.
I know I didn't do anything. I don't know where you're taking me to. But
N'ime rock and the fool, Ochichiri warano putanyo. Anamaju, Ogini kamere putanyo. Then I heard a voice shouting, there must be cleansing in the land. Then I heard a voice shouting,
I know.
It's a ghost. It's a ghost. The princess decided to die with him, and their ghost are staring at us. It's a ghost.
It's had wanted to kill me. So you had wanted to kill me.
It's a ghost. Princess, come out. It's a ghost. It's a ghost. Hey, it's a ghost. Oh. It's a ghost.
Look at you, in a bid to destroy two hearts that are joined together by fate. You have turned yourself into a madman.
It can't be possible. I saw him die. He fell right in front of me. He was no longer breathing when I checked.
Come and look.
Obim, did you change your mind about going out? You've been drinking? Obim, who have you been drinking with? Obim, your body is cold. Obim, wake up. Obim, wake up. Obim, don't do this to me. Obim, please don't allow our enemies take you away from me. God, please do something. Obim, wake up. Wake up, please. Obim, don't do this to me now. This is not how our love story should end, Obim. Wake up, Obim. God, please don't do this to me. Don't do this to me, Obim. Wake up. Obim. God, please. Don't do this to me, Obim. Obim, you're awake. Thank you. Obim, what happened to you? You're confusing me. What happened to you?
I thought you said that their love is not genuine, that it's not meant to be.
This is like magic.
Leave my shrine. Leave my shrine before I break your neck.
Okay, I'll go.
Then I heard a voice shouting, there must be cleansing in the land. Then I heard a voice shouting, there must be cleansing in the land. Kiri kana bukosa na dielu, midame finaya, alu mere na banyo. Kiri kana.
She saved my life.
I didn't save your life. Our chief simply decided your time was still very much far away. Fate did not sanctuary your death to happen today.
Well, Obiago, we're still thankful for your life, regardless.
Please sit.
Sorry. Please. If you want to arrest me, go ahead. I am willing to go to prison. Obiago, you are the only son of my late brother, which makes you my son. Which is why I was always afraid that your union with the princess would destroy you. I tried to sabotage the whole thing to save you.
What, you poisoned my wine?
No. It wasn't poison. It was an anti-love potion to stop you from loving the princess, and everyone wanted you to die.
You almost killed me.
I'm sorry. I'll make it up. I'll make it up to you by doing everything in my power from this moment to see you and Princess marry. I tried to break you too, and I almost killed you. But now, I will make it my life purpose to bring two of you together and forever.
The universe has decided to solve all my problems for me.
You know, in all honesty, Your Majesty, I still can't believe this.
All I need to do now is to play the good father and patiently wait for my daughter to grieve and get over that bastard.
Very strange.
Ah, you? It is you.
Your Majesty?
It's the man. That anonymous son of the soil. The one that has been sending all those anonymous alerts. Yes. Yes. Listen. I have been searching for you. The people of this kingdom want to see you. Please, I want to see you. But you are a son of this kingdom. So why don't you want people to know about you? Why? Okay, thank you. But you still haven't answered my question.
Cut off the call or what?
Yes, he cut the call on me. How can a human being be so mysterious?
And extremely enigmatic. I can equally add that.
And come to think that I was trying to give the princess to him on a platter of gold. Well, especially now that Obiago is dead. I think the princess is single once again, right?
Oh no, she's not single.
I beg your pardon?
Our farmer is not single because Obiago is very much alive.
What did you just...
Oh yes, as we speak, they are making plans to get married. And they are determined, more than ever, to make it happen.
No tradition can change my love for you. No culture can change the way I love you.
All I know is that Umurola is under a curse because years ago, our men committed a huge abomination. So I was only a baby when it all happened. So I cannot be of much help in that area.
But Uncle, there is a possibility that we can still find someone, somewhere, who is capable of providing us with the answer we need. Right? Uncle, your current attitude is beginning to piss me off. You promised to help me. Or have you suddenly changed your mind?
No. It's just that I know of only one person. At least he was a bit older than me when it all happened. So he witnessed everything.
So, what are we still doing here then?
Of course, I am not seeing a ghost.
A ghost? Oh, I forgot. When I came here yesterday, I told you I killed him. I was making a mistake. He did not die. He's alive.
Your nephew?
Of course. Did you think he's someone else?
When I was a little boy, years ago, a man from Umurola came to take the Ozo title. The title was conferred upon him. His people rose against him out of jealousy, wickedness. Then they took his Ugwagariga and destroyed it. The man, out of anger, pronounced a word that since they don't have a respect for Ozo, none of them will ever take the title. He died immediately after the pronouncement.
So that's the reason. If any man from Umurola ever declares to be an Ozo, dies before the day of initiation.
Not just an Ozo. Anything that has to do with chieftaincy title. Whoever that dreams of having it will die a day before the coronation.
Let me guess. Many casualties occurred, which is why the people of Umurola came together and declared that no one should ever desire to take the chieftaincy title or be an Ozo again.
Exactly. And that is why no man from Umurola will get married to the princess. Because by virtue of the marriage, the man automatically becomes an Ozo title holder. And anyone that dares to take that step,
it will result to my death?
Exactly.
The gods forbid.
So this is why Umurola village is the least in all the villages in Umere. Because they don't have any representative in the ruling class. There is no Umurola man amongst the kings, elders, and council. There is no Umurola man in the Zenozo group of Umebe. Even amongst the youths, there is no Umurola person amongst their ruling committee.
Yes, You got it?
So, considering the fact that we have no personality in our committee because of the curse laid upon us by the abomination committed by our forefathers, we became outcasts.
That summarizes the story.
Forgive me, Ezedibia. Does it mean over the years no man has done anything as to try and appease the spirit of the man who placed the curse?
They tried severally, and the only answers they could get was that the man will eventually forgive them someday, and they will start taking the titles again.
Someday, this is all we've got. So we're going to sit down and do nothing until someday.
So, does it mean there's nothing we can do? Nothing at all?
I may have a theory or two.
Theory? Then offload it. Let's hear it.
Is there any way you can lay your hand on any of the items used by the man when he was alive?
I'm not sure, but if I'm required to give some, I will try.
Like pictures, drawings, anything he touched when he was alive.
Of course, sir.
Yeah. Go to work. Go to work.
So this is it. When we are taking down some of the old houses for the modern house, my grandfather insisted that we maintain some of the ancient houses for the sake of preserving history. So I did. I kept this one for storage.
I'm scared to ask, but when was the last time you opened this house?
My uncle and I are still looking for anything that will connect us to the man who laid the curse. If we search here we didn't see, we'll go to another place. Come with me.
Then I heard a voice shouting, there must be cleansing in the land. Then I heard a voice shouting, there must be cleansing in the land.
With the look on your faces, it is obvious you come back with nothing.
Azamo, how did you know?
I've searched everywhere.
Including going back to the ancient house where I kept as a store and found nothing.
How can you find something when you have decided to embark on such a sacred journey with a woman? A woman!
Azamo, she's not just a woman, she's the woman of my life. She's the woman I love.
Can't you quit the act of always confessing your love for the princess? At least not for now.
But uncle, I love her.
This is not the time, because I am involved. And I believe that this curse can be lifted up our people, and we shall be free again.
Uncle, I can't believe this. Why are you talking against me?
What I see here is that Utana Zodile, Ebina Zosompi, Akiju Abamacheyon, Ubiago is not ready to solve this problem.
Please.
Hey! And I will advise him to go back and make up his mind. Go and think and make up your mind.
Please, Ezemo, I pray you, don't take it at heart. At least, if not for anything, for the innocent people of Umurola who are suffering for what they do not know about. Please.
Azamo, let me break it down for you. I am going to become an Ozo of Umebe. And if no one is willing to assist me, I am going to assist myself.
Ezemo, please don't be angry. I'm going to solve this problem. I promise you. Please. I'll talk to him.
cleansing in the land. Kiri kiri kana bubu.
I know there is a move. And what I will not do is to go against your move. I cannot interfere with the dictates of the gods. However you move, whenever and wherever, I stand by you.
Uncle, for the last time, I do not know what you're talking about.
Then you are a ritualist.
Oh my God, where is this coming from? Where the hell do you get this from? I've never killed and I will never kill for money.
Then what is this secret that is making you to lie through your teeth like an unfaithful woman to her lover? Listen, don't you try to play with my intelligence, because I raised you and I know you well enough to tell when you are lying.
Uncle, please leave me alone, please.
Fine. I will leave you alone.
Thank you.
But I believe that the princess knows you well enough to have your secret. Then I will just find out from her. She knows, right?
How dare you, Uncle? Please. Leave the princess out of this. She doesn't know anything.
She doesn't? The woman you claim to be your lover and you want to marry does not know your precious secret? Anyway, don't worry. I still need to talk to her.
Uncle, I do not have any secret. I do not have anything to tell you.
Then why are you stopping me?
Uncle,
yes.
I can't let you speak to the princess.
You want to kill me? Obiago, do you want to kill me and protect your so-called secret?
Uncle, it's okay. It's okay. I am going to tell you everything you want to know. I am tired of keeping all this secret.
I am all ears. All of it! Split it out.
Uncle, please, you need to sit down. Uncle, please, you have to sit down because what I'm about to tell you might knock you off your feet. So you need to sit.
Why are you playing with your life? You still have the effrontery to come into my palace? After I warned you the last time that I don't ever want to set my eyes on you again? Now get out of my palace. Both of you, get out!
Considering the fact that I contributed 70% of the funds used in building this palace, I do not think you have the right to ask me to leave.
I beg your pardon?
Your Majesty, what is he saying?
He is not saying anything. Because as far as I am concerned, men of Umurola have no voice. And I am asking you, both of you, to leave my palace this minute before I do something drastic. Leave!
Your Majesty, could you please calm down?
And do not bother calling your guards because they will not come.
I beg your pardon? What do you mean by they're not coming?
You see, we anticipated what could happen in this palace if we ventured today. Then, I decided to come with my men. As we speak, Your Majesty, your men have been detained.
And what exactly do you mean by my guards have been detained?
Only temporarily, Your Highness, just to avert any kind of interference in this meeting.
What?
Come on, what do you remember?
Your Majesty, for years now, you have been receiving anonymous donations, large sums of money, but for you and for Umuebe at large, from a faceless donor. The man in question has has helped you out of so many problems. In fact, it could be said that he has been your guardian angel since you became king, and he refused to reveal himself. Ironically, rumor has it that you wish to make him marry the princess when you find him. Well, I have found him and I have brought him to you.
My goodness. Is it because of the curse? Are men of Umurola running mad because of the curse? Because I can't believe this. You see, if Obiago turns out to be my faceless donor, let me run mad. Raving mad, oh yes. If this man here turns out to be my faceless donor, I will give it to a roadside beggar and crown the person king in my place. I will do it. See, listen. If my guardian angel that I have been dealing with all this while turns out to be this man sitting here, I will not mind pulling my clothes and running around this kingdom naked.
Your Majesty,
I will.
as my friend, I will advise you to tune down the level of curses you are.
Oh, please, spare me that bullshit. Don't tell me that you of all people believe in the cock and bull story said by this cock and bull people. Speak of the devil. Yes, my guardian angel is coming. Hey. Hello, my guardian angel.
Hello, Your Majesty.
Now, what is the meaning of this silly joke? No, what is the meaning of this madness? What? Oh, I told you. Come and see it yourself. It's from my guardian angel again. 20 million. Can you see it? No, you, Obiago. Can you ever give 20 million naira to somebody in your life? Can you?
Your Majesty, I just saw this young man trying to do something with his phone. And we know that...
Oh, don't even go there. Who is it? No, who is this man?
Your Majesty, look at it.
What? So it's you.
Your Majesty, Oshapa.
It's a lie.
He's the one that is... Tell him.
Daddy should see your face. You need to see the look on your face, Daddy. You should get a mirror. Oh my goodness. Why is it that nobody told me this was going down? That I would have loved, I would have given everything to be present, Dad. Goodness me. How does it feel, Dad? To know that the one that you call your guardian angel is the one man that you'd have given anything to kill. Hi. Irony of life.
Are you making mockery of me?
No, come on. Dad, how can I make mockery of you? You've had enough disgrace for one day to laugh. You see, what you went through today will last you a lifetime. But I also think that it's a good lesson that don't be looking at me like that. Now you're the one making me laugh. All right, listen. I'll just keep a straight face. This is actually very serious. Yeah, let's try. Let's keep a straight face, Dad.